Basically, there is a every year the guideline used to be there by the PU board, and the similar guideline was issued in the month of July 2021 that says the guideline 2021 and 22. The chapter 6 of the guideline clearly says that there is a no uniform code in Karnataka in PU colleges. And they also said that there is, in spite of that, some colleges used to enforce student for the uniform code. And whenever such things are there, so there should be strict action has to be taken against those colleges. This the rule says. And this rule who made? This is not I or you made it. This is made by the government itself. When such rule is there, why these girls used to be prosecuted? And why this entire issue is made? I really appreciate the courage of these girls, and I hope because with their sacrifices, with their courage, some good order will come which will enlighten the entire community, and particularly it will shaken our Muslim community and as well as our Muslim leaders and other secular forces.